We love warm and dry weekends. At least I do. Are we okay this weekend or no? Because Matt had me a little concerned yesterday.
I think those are two words that you're going,
Warm and dry, warm and dry.
I know.
Look, it's waiting.
Can we get one of them?
He's trying, y'all. He's trying. But you can see outside, I mean, we're trying to get a little bit of dryness moving in. We're trying to get a little bit of sunshine moving in as well. I think, did you say where? Yeah. It's trying. It's up there. It's just behind the clouds.
Okay, I'll take
It's
that.
always sunny above the clouds.
That's true. You're right.
Yeah.
It's always beautiful. It's always sunny somewhere.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, let's talk about some drip drops here, and I'll answer Jay's question about the weekend here. Temperatures, they kind of will be a little bit more on the humid, mild side tonight, depending on if 60s are too warm for you at night. It is kind of going to be a little bit of a melting pot over the course of the weekend here. We also have a little bit of fog moving in for the early hours for you tomorrow. So look at our temperatures right now. It's going to be slow and steady as we kind of cascade back into the mid to low 60s overnight tonight. We got some south wind coming in some of our eastern areas right now, which is why we have 70s over towards the east, over near Ashtabula, even down towards Mahoning County, Tuscarawas County. You can see they're down near the 70s there in Dover, upper 60s as far as Akron, Canton is concerned. Now let's widen up the scan and show you what this aerial low is doing. It is sitting right over it. It's plopped down here, causing some flooding concerns over near the Philly region, moving into northern New Jersey, even some rain showers coming in southern Canada, wrapping back around, and that's what we're dealing with right now. Our western areas have that north wind performing, and not too far away, we got a surge of heat coming back in. This is that Texas light heat that is soaring right up near the northern border. 88 right now in Minnie, upper 70s you can see there with that northerly component of wind coming into Chicagoland. But even south and east, south and west of there, now near St. Louis, more than a 10-degree warm-up. Nearly 90 degrees right now in St. Louis. Just some scattered showers moving through our region right now. Nothing too terribly heavy, nothing severe as well. Calming winds back towards Mansfield, but look at that south wind coming on in, southwesterly wind coming in, roughly around 5 to 6 miles per hour. Because we have some added south wind coming in and added humidity, our dew point temperatures have also warmed up. We're back into the 60s right now. Now, when we look at the next 24 to 36 hours, you're wondering, okay, we have the chance for some rain showers, the chance for an isolated thunderstorm or two. It is really just going to depend where you are and how much you're going to be picking up once we get into Saturday here. Guardians game at 7:10, first pitch, mostly cloudy skies, some leftover showers possible. I think we'll have a little bit more 60s rather than 70s. As you can see, that plays out here in your Union Mortgage 7A outlook. Over the next several hours, again, meandering showers are going to be possible. Once we get into our morning hours for us on Saturday, we'll have some lingering showers over towards the east. We'll wrap around a little bit of flow here, but also expect some clearing skies to move in towards the afternoon hours. A beautiful sunset is going to be possible, but notice what happens on Sunday. A surge of warmth moves back in. 70 degrees in some areas around 8 a.m. for us on Sunday morning. We really start to pop into the afternoon. In terms of rumbles, that is really going to be moving in towards the dinner time hours for us on Sunday. This could be packing a punch here. We'll watch that as strong storms are going to be expected, Sunday evening moving into the overnight hours as that frontal boundary is moving on through. We'll keep it at 60s overnight tonight. A few pops possible, back into the upper 70s, even low 80s for Saturday afternoon. Once we get into Sunday into Monday, things really start to change over here. There's our frontal boundary moving through with leftover rain and rumbles on Monday. Widespread rain is likely on Tuesday, which is why temperatures will be roughly around 70 degrees. A few pops early on Wednesday, back into the mid to low 70s and mainly sunny skies. You can see there by Thursday with another storm chance likely by the end of the week. So each and every day, Jay, we got a little bit of mix of something here, but I think once we get into Sunday, at least the first half of Sunday will be mainly dry, but we will be hot.
Yeah, I think that's going to be the pick of the weekend, early Sunday. All right, I'll plan everything accordingly. Thank you, sir.